everybody. I'm Pratibha. Hi, everyone. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. I work with my team on all types of immigration applications. We help with employment-based cases, we help with family cases, and of course, humanitarian cases. And we'll talk a bit about that today. If you have questions or anything that you're wondering about with immigration, please put it into the chat. We have folks streaming here from TikTok, from Facebook, and YouTube. So the TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. And Instagram. We have a presence on Instagram also, but not streaming on there right now. I will read the question aloud. If you're joining me for the first time, say hello, tell me where you're watching from. I would love to get to know you and where and learn about where you're watching from. If you have a specific questions, if you're interested in something in particular, please put that into the chat and I can provide some information on that. Just know that what I provide is general immigration information. So it might not apply to your case if I don't know your immigration history. So everyone's case is a little bit different. There may be some hiccups. So what I'm providing is general information. If you want to have a confidential consultation, call our office. You can do that at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation by Zoom or phone. You can check out our Facebook page to do that. That's Agarwal Immigration. You can also go to our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Okay, so those are ways to schedule consultations. We're doing them by phone, by Zoom, or in person. So hopefully one of these ways work for you. Hey, Zoheb, if you want to shout out, guys, say hello and put in questions, and I'm going to try to get to them today. If you have friends or family interested in immigration, please share this with them so they can hop on. Also follow us and like us on our social media platforms. We're on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok at the moment. Follow us and like us so that you can be notified when I'm on again. I come on here multiple times a week. Share this again with others so they can be notified as well. Okay, let's get to it. So let me start off with our question of the day, which is, do I need to provide photos to prove abuse in a VAWA case? Do I need to provide photos or other evidence to prove abuse in a VAWA case? If you're unfamiliar with VAWA, VAWA is a self-petition process that can lead to a green card for many, many people, okay? The self-petition is based on the most common scenario for our firm is someone who is married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, that it's a real marriage, not just for immigration. They live with them and there's abuse in their marriage. The way to prove abuse gets to be something that people feel nervous about, right? So they wonder, do I have enough evidence? I don't have a police report. I don't have photos. Am I going to qualify for a VAWA? Well, you don't need photos. Most of our very successful VAWA cases really only have a detailed declaration, which is a statement about the various forms of abuse that was experienced in the marriage. So we detail emotional, psychological, verbal, financial abuse in that marriage. That's part of our process. We work with you. We do an intake with you. You just have to respond truthfully with as much detail as you can remember, and we will draft that for you. Of course, you will review and approve it before we submit this declaration. So this is our most important piece of evidence in a VAWA case. So it's very important that it is thorough and detailed and organized and clear. That is one of the ways in which we put together successful VAWA petitions. So give us a call if we can help you with your VAWA cases. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications, okay? And I hope that I get to meet many of you. If you're interested in VAWA, please give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. If you can't get to a phone right now, you can also check out our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, okay? All right, guys. Let me hop on and see what other questions we have. Hi, Boston. Again, say hi to me, guys. If you're joining for the first time, I want to know where you're watching from. Say hello, and if you have a question, put it into the chat. We're on TikTok. We are on YouTube and Facebook, and I am providing information about immigration. So if you don't already like us and follow us, I think Carla, thank you for following us. Make sure that you do so you can be notified when I'm on live again. And of course, share this post with others, you guys. I would love to have more of you join in this immigration conversation, because immigration can feel very complicated. There's a lot of different aspects to it. It's hard to understand the requirements. And hopefully this conversation can help you understand what benefits you might be eligible for. For those of you that are in a marriage that is abusive, I hope that you might be able to benefit from VAWA and perhaps a green card, especially if you are undocumented here in the US. It can be a huge benefit for you, okay? Call us if we can help, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney based in Washington, D.C. Our clients are everywhere, though, so no matter where you are in the United States, we can represent you. Immigration is a federal practice, so we can represent you no matter where you are located, okay? All right. Boston says, can I file VAWA concurrently with a green card any time of year? Can I file VAWA concurrently with a green card any time of year? That's a great question, Boston. Well, whether you can file for a green card depends on, one, are you in the United States? So assuming you are, you might be able to. If you're married to a U.S. citizen, you can currently file the green card application, which is the adjustment of status application, at the same time as the VAWA petition. If you're married to a green card holder, there is a little bit of a wait time before you can file your adjustment of status application. As of right now, April 25th, right? So that's the case right now. The timing can change, but currently U.S. citizens can file, spouses of U.S. citizens can file concurrently, and spouses of green card holders have a little bit of a wait time, so they file the VAWA petition first. Okay, Boston, I hope that answers your question. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name, again, is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We're based here in Washington, D.C. We help clients with lots of immigration questions, with all types of immigration concerns. If we can help you, give us a call, and we will have a consultation where we discuss your issues, the process for what you might be eligible for, the timing and the fees that are involved, both our fees and the government fees, and we can hopefully put together a plan to get you in status, okay? If you have friends or family that want to join this conversation, I'm here to just provide some general immigration information. Share this post with them. And if you like what you're hearing, if you want to know more about immigration and join us for future conversations, please like us and follow us on our social media platforms. We're on TikTok, we're on Facebook, we're on YouTube, and we are Agarwal Immigration on all of the handles. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. So if you look us up, you will find us, Pratibha Agarwal. Okay, I'm an immigration attorney. Great. All right, another question here. Will the government deport me if my VAWA gets denied, right? So will the government deport me if my VAWA gets denied? So most likely no. Currently, a VAWA denial, unlike asylum, for example, doesn't get you put in removal proceedings. Okay, so currently, if you apply for a VAWA, you don't have a strong case, or you're missing one of the elements, right? Hopefully, we can screen you and identify that at the consultation. But if it gets denied, it does not automatically go into removal proceedings. So technically nothing happens, but you want to make sure that there is not that risk for you. Let's say you've had a prior removal order, you have a crime or something like that, that may result in some kind of issue, which might turn into removal. But just a VAWA denial with no other possible issues currently is not getting put into removal proceedings. You can give us a call. We can talk to you about that some more. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney helping clients all throughout the United States in their immigration applications. Okay, hope that was helpful to you. If you would like to be notified when I go live, make sure you like us and follow us on our social media platforms. We are on TikTok, we're on Facebook, we're on YouTube. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. Our law firm is called Agarwal Law Group. Okay, we're an immigration firm and we help with all types of immigration questions, immigration applications. So please reach out to us. We always start our cases off with a consultation. So if you've never talked to us before, you have to schedule a consultation where I meet with you. It's usually about half an hour. We can do it in person, on the phone, or on Zoom. Zoom is the most common way that we do this, and it's going to look a lot like this if you're unfamiliar with Zoom. And we will review your immigration history, right? You don't have to have a ton of documents. I just talked to you about when you came in, what kind of status you had when you came in, if you had any status at all, what you've applied for previously, and then we talk about how you might qualify. Okay? Call us if we can help. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I will go through some more of your questions right now. Let me see here. Samuel says, hi, lawyer. Is it normal if they don't renew the prima facie? Mine got expired in August. It's a VAWA in August 2023. It's a VAWA case. Usually what we've seen, Samuel, is a renewal of the prima facie determination. So I've not had a case where it has not been renewed. So I would look into that. Maybe the notice got lost or something like that. That's something that your attorney can reach out to the VAWA unit or the VAWA hotline, the email, and they can maybe get some more information on that. Okay, give us a call, 703-348-1663. Eli says, if you have an interview, go to Haiti now. They closed the embassy in Port-au-Prince temporarily. Do they transfer the case to another country? So you can request that the case be transferred to another country. So if, for example, this happened a lot in Afghanistan, right? So when the U.S. Embassy in Afghanistan closed, a lot of clients wanted to move their case over to Pakistan. So we usually let the embassy in Pakistan know that we want to transfer the case there. We also let the National Visa Center know, and we want to also let the embassy where the case was originally scheduled know as well. So if there's an email address, you can reach out to them there. All right, so they don't automatically transfer. It's something that you should request. Call us if we can help, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney here in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all throughout the United States, and we help them with all types of immigration applications. We work on employment cases, humanitarian cases like U visas and T visas and VAWAs, and of course, family immigration as well. If you're looking to bring a family member into the United States, we can help with that as well. Okay? All right. Do I have to wait for my VAWA to be approved before applying for a green card? So do I have to wait for my VAWA to be approved before applying for a green card? So you do not have to wait for the approval. Many times you can also apply for your adjustment of status application if you're here in the United States, as long as there's a visa, the green card available for you. Sometimes there's a wait if you're married to a green card holder, excuse me. There is a little bit of a wait before you can file that adjustment of status application, but you do not have to wait necessarily for the VAWA to be approved before you submit your green card application, okay? You can do that. Of course, that is available to you. They do need to make a decision on the VAWA petition before they can approve the green card. All right, so think about that. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And my name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney based in Washington, D.C. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications, okay? All right. G here says, hi, ma'am, I've gotten my work permit and advanced parole for my VAWA case. Congratulations. If I want to travel to India, do I have to close my DACA case? So I'm going to tell you, which is what I tell all my clients, if you have advanced parole travel authorization on your adjustment of status application, which is I think what you probably have, G, I would wait if you have a VAWA pending to travel. Wait till you get that green card before you travel, okay? I hope that helps you. Give us a call if we can chat more. We can have a consultation. We're doing them by phone, by Zoom, or in person. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, please don't travel until your green card is approved. There have been some complications with folks returning from travel when they have this advanced parole and a VAWA pending. All right, so I've just heard that through some consultations, and I want you guys to be extra careful because you're almost there. It's the end of the road. You're almost there, so just wait a little longer until you have your green card. Okay, call us if we can help. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right, here I'm going to scroll through some of you TikTok folks. Let me see if I can get some questions answered here. I filed for VAWA in December 2023. When can I expect work permit or biometrics? That's a great question. So work permit is taking about 7 months from the time that we apply. So you should be expecting your work permit in July. So 7 months to receive VAWA work permit and travel currently. Okay, if we can help you with your VAWA case, give us a call, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney helping clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. All right. I'm seeing the same question over and over again, guys. Hey, if you don't, Ardi just started following us. Thank you, Ardi. You can be notified now when we go live. If you haven't already liked us and followed us, guys, do like Ardi here and follow us, like us, so you can be notified when I go live. Share this, of course, with others as well that might be interested in this conversation. We're always on talking about immigration, hopefully providing you some valuable information about immigration. And of course, if you want to have a consultation with us, call our office, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation with us on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. All right. I received my prima facie. How much longer till my VAWA is approved? Probably close to 2 years. All right. Probably close to 2 years. All right, guys. I think I answered most of the questions that were on here. And some of them are repeats. So if I missed anything, I apologize, but I will be back on. Share this with others. Join me again. I look forward to seeing so many of you on here again. It's always such a pleasure. It's one of my favorite parts of the day is to talk to you guys and hopefully give you some clarity about your immigration concerns, your questions, and I hope that we get to touch base during a consultation. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day, and I will see you all very soon. Bye, everyone.